StarChip has added a new SMS notification intended to encourage customers that do not currently have an active order to place one via the pickup text. You can turn this notification on and off globally under the communication settings, where you can also customize the message. This SMS will be sent automatically at 6:30 p.m. on the day before a pickup schedule to all customers that are assigned to that route and do not have an order already placed for that day. You can enable a scheduled day to send the SMS by editing that schedule for that day. For instance, to enable the SMS for tomorrow's NC route, I select the route and day of the week, select the Send Pickup Awareness SMS checkbox, and save the schedule. Now, all customers who are assigned to this pickup day and do not have a currently active order will receive the awareness SMS on this day each week. To assign a customer to this pickup day, go to their account, hit Edit, and select the appropriate pickup day.